and immune system booster. Of course, antioxidant. Nakita nyo si iFern, most of our medications or vitamins are all antioxidants. What do you mean by antioxidants? Piniprevent niya lahat ng bad hypertension, diabetes, asthma, cancer, and all. Very healthy. Very smart thinking, no? Okay. That's why pwede niyo siyang mabigay because these are all over-the-counter drugs. Hindi siya kasi yung mga antibiotics, so we only have supplements. Vitamin E is very important because din siya, immune booster din siya. And the difference of our vitamin E compared to other in the market, yung sa market kasi from soybean. This one, from sunflower seed extract, which is 5 times more potent or effective than other vitamin E. So, again, we also have the best vitamin E. Syempre. Fernflex is not a drug. It is also a supplement for the joints. It prevents pain sa joints. It prevents arthritis, inflammation, or anong tawag dyan sa namamaga na joints. Question, ang mga arthritis lang ba makainom ng Fernflex? No. Sino ang prone masira ang joints? Number 1, obese patients. If they are obese, pag nag-run yan siya, or nag-jogging yan siya, or nag-walking, malaki ang chance na masisira ang kanyang knees. So you give your Fernflex to those with arthritis, those with pain sa mga joints, those athletes na nagtatriathlon, nagbabasketball, and those obese patients na masakit ang tuhod. So may market na kayo kaagad, okay? This is very safe. Zerocol is a natural pampababa ng cholesterol. So ideally, you give it 2 tablets before the meal para to prevent absorption of fats or cholesterol from the body. So kung marami ang fat na kinain mo sa lunch, take 2 tablets sa lunch, then another 1 tablet sa dinner. So maximum of 3 tablets in a day. This is coffee. What's the difference of Fern coffee compared to the other 3-in-1 in the market? Ours is healthier because may vitamins na siya. Aside from that, our sugar content is only 12 milligram. Those in the market is 14 milligram, mas lower ang sugar. Another one, the calories of those in the market, 140 calories. Ours is only 96. So this is a safer option. A safer, healthier option sa mga mahilig magkape. And, are you bored?
No!
Silver Fresh, made from Cadmium extra. Cadmium is an algae that has antibacterial, antifungal effect. So mag-wonder kayo, why did yung dandruff here, nilagyan ko ng toothpaste? Because it has antifungal effect. Bakit hindi mabaho ang hininga ko in the morning? Because the function of this is to prevent adherence o pagdikit ng bacteria sa mouth nyo. That's why healthier ang mouth. Walang cavities, walang mabahong breath paggising sa umaga. Okay. And also, this is safer for kids because it has no paraben, no fluoride, no triclosan, which are carcinogenic. So nakita niyo yung mga water bottle ng mga bata, nakalagay na ngayon, no paraben. Kasi carcinogenic, noon kasi plastic, iniinom may paraben. This one, very safe for kids. And, syempre, si soap and lotion. Ang content nito, nakikita nyo, apple stem cell, aloe vera oil, and isa argan oil and aloe vera. So that's why, syempre, yung iba ginagamit nila as shampoo. Bakit tumutubo yung hair? Because may aloe vera. Lahat ng component very healthy and important. It has moisturizing effect, anti-aging, pampaganda. Okay. Eye cream and serum. So ang serum para siyang botox in a bottle. So you put 2 squares pat dry sa morning and sa night. Okay? So, sabon, dry, then serum. Sa gabi, sabon, dry, then serum. Then you put also, if you want, the eye cream to prevent mga eye bags, saging ng mga eye bags and all. And crow's feet, yung mga wrinkles dito. Diba? Kasi old na tayo. I'm already 52. My God. Collagen. For those na hindi kaya ng lahat ng vitamins, kailangan yung gumanda agad-agad. Fast drip. Magdagdag ng collagen. This is very fast kasi. Ako, I don't take collagen for the reason that I don't have the time to, timpla-timpla. Mix it with your hot or cold drinks. Use once or 2 times a day. Grabe siya kaganda. Promise. Because I have an OB na partner ko sa opera. Noon, binigyan ko siya as a gift. Binigyan ko siya ng 3. Tapos nag-order na siya na nag-order hanggang nag-family package na siya. So, that's the importance. Dapat may conviction kayo. If you use the product, alam nyo na maganda, hindi kayo mahihiya magbigay. You give it as a gift. Ako, ang dami kong OP na binigyan ng December. Tapos pagka maya-maya after 1 month, nagiging member na ni John Mundin. So si John Mundin ang ako nag-gastos siya. Oy, may mga Mercedes boys ha, Benz, kayo dito ha. Remember, for every success of a man, there's a woman behind. Every failure of a man, there's another woman. Okay. Okay. So this, diba? Okay. Si John Mundin, pag inaaway ako ni John Mundin, huwag niyo itong i-record. Pag inaaway ako ni John Mundin, sabihin ko magkano pang kailangan po para mag-ano ka, top day, kasi hindi ako pinapansin. Tapos, the only way para mapansin niya ako, noon may papasok na family package, sagot siya kagad. Pero kung hindi, wala akong papasok, hindi niya ako pinapansin. Okay? So, sa mga asawa, ganyan ang sekreto. Okay? So, 30% of your body is made up of collagen. So, what's collagen for? For the skin, for the hair, for the nails, and for the gastrointestinal sa mga bituka natin. So, it's very important and very healthy. Actually, kung lang, it is very good product also. Makita mo si iFern, I've been a doctor for several years kasi matanda na ako. But I haven't seen a company as smart as this one. Yung na-anticipate na ang lahat. Vitamin A na ang kulang. Vitamin A. So, that's our collagen. Hindi siya inom-inom na powder ha. Mixed with hot or cold drinks. Okay. This is the newest. So, medyo hindi pa ako familiar but I studied this one also. Your vitamin D, may mga iba't ibang form. Your vitamin D2 comes from plants. Hindi siya masyadong ginagamit kasi you need 5,000 higher doses bago siya ma-absorb. Kasi hindi lahat na-absorb. That's your D2. Your D3 or Fern D is better absorbed sa human body. Actually, before this, D2 ang D3 ang talaga sa market. See? iFern is always ahead of any company. No, tingnan mo. Gumawa na siya ng anong to is calcifidiol. Ito. If you are taking your Fern D, continue taking your Fern D. Okay siya. Yung Fern D kasi is calciferol, polycalciferol. Pagpasok na sa body, your liver will convert it into calcifidiol. Okay. Pero for example, you have one patient now. The patient is sick. Kailangan niya ng kaagad-agad na tumaas ang vitamin D level. You give this one because it takes 3 months pa for the vitamin D3 or polycalciferol to be active sa bloodstream natin. This one is already readily available. Give it and it already has its effect. So for those patients na hindi pa nag-start ng Fern D, you give this na. Do not overdose lang. You give 1, maximum of 2 capsules once a day. Pero, kung nag-continue na siya ng vitamin D3, Fern D niya, okay lang kasi yung level ng vitamin sa katawan niya, mataas na, na-meet niya na. Pero kung bago pa lang siya nag-start, and sick siya, like may renal problem siya, may liver problem siya, kailangan niya agad-agad ng vitamin D, give this. You don't have 3 months to wait. You don't have enough time to wait na. You don't have to wait for 3 months, okay? So again, yun ang difference. It is readily available. So, ito ang pinakabago kasi if you ask any doctor now, hindi sila familiar. Ako, I studied pa. Why? Because we only we only studied D3, D2, D3, D2, and now there is calcifidiol. Because medicine is not an exact science, palaging may bago. Nagkataon lang palagi tayo nauuna sa iFern. So, last time when I discussed on vitamin D3, ang daming OB nag-question sa safety. Siyempre, pero Bukidnon is a very nice place. Everybody knows everybody. Friends kaming lahat. So if I say safe, naniniwala sila because friends kami and we trust everyone. Ito, during that time, nahihirapan kami, vitamin D is not safe for pregnancy, sabi ng iba. And then, lumating si POGS, our association. Vitamin D can prevent blah blah blah. Happy. Kita nyo. Next story. Pagka next na naman, dumating si FIGO. FIGO is Federation International for Gynae and OB. Sabi ng FIGO, noon, you only use folic acid and ano lang, iron. Now, you have folic acid, iron, and vitamin D. Naura na naman si iPhone. So, yan. And these are our products. Okay. Before I end, ito. This is an OB. Married na siya. Sabi ko, I'll post your picture sa lecture ko to inspire mga infertile couples. She is a user. Again, bilisan ko lang. So, this is a 41-year-old obstetrician gynecologist. And her husband is a 45-year-old anesthesiologist. Married for 18 years. They've been to several infertility clinics. Hanggang napagod na sila, ayoko na. Friendly lang. Tapos, na-notice siya, hindi na siya nag-mens. Tapos, nag-practice siya, positive. Nasisarya namin siya November 22 last year. So, after 18 long years, this beautiful couple already have Lily. Okay. Sir Ruel, paki-play naman ng last na video. So this is the reason really why I joined OP because ang daming hindi nabubuntis, no? Every child is a gift, di ba? Instrument kami to give them those gifts. So this one, sir, these are the babies. So if you have any question while playing this one, please ask na. So those are my miracle babies. Hindi siya updated, matagal na yan. Pero ang dami-dami na. Ang sarap ng feeling. As in. So hulihin man ako ng PMA ngayon at ng POGS. I'll present these babies and tell them, wah, tingnan nyo, I have my babies. So they are so cute. Some are married for 15 years, 13 years. Some got pregnant after 2 months of check-up. Some 6 months, some 1 year. But the point is they got pregnant. After a long, long way. So, thank you so much.
Wow, grabe. Pakapakan naman natin si Doc Jen. Ayan.
Dami.
Okay na.
Daming iFern babies, no? Yan, so dami-dami natin pwedeng matulungan na magka-baby. Thank you so much, Doc Jen. So ngayon po, bago po tayo mag-proceed sa Q&A,